Yo, what up, y'all? I know it's been a minute. Don't worry, this video is going to explain everything. Okay, look, so at the start of March, I actually went to California, did some cool things with On Running, that new light spray technology y'all seeing here at the Abbott Kinney store. Had a really cool display where you could try it out on the treadmill that you're seeing here. Dope shoe. I did get a pair. Look at how crazy they look. All right. I also got a chance to run, though, back home in LA. So you see this here, the boy putting up the miles all the way from Venice to Ladera Heights. Took the little one to Disneyland. And, of course, I had to stop at the Marvel campus. Got back home, got a couple fits. Y'all see some new gear on there. Got the Wrangler denims. You know what I'm saying? New hat by Good Quality Human. Just a lot of things going on. All right, cool. Let's jump. And when I say jump, I do mean hyperspeed. Listen, I couldn't leave Disneyland without the Stormtrooper helmet. Come on, y'all. Okay, look, a couple more fits, back home, new gear. This is going to be a hoodie by Colorful Standard, really dope brand out of Europe. Really amazing pieces when it comes to just quality hoodies and pants and stuff like that. All right, more fun stuff at the crib. Look at this. Stop motion, how I added this new piece to my living room. And of course, I couldn't finish the living room off unless I had that boy Tony Stark helmet in the crib. Look at this, man. Honestly, shout out to Disney. The quality on these helmets was really insane. Y'all saw the Stormtrooper, but this is the Iron Man with the light up. It's crazy, everything. All right, look, you seeing Gemma, she's enjoying the new pieces in the living room with the chair. Also, this shoe right here, the Cloud Monster 3 Hyper. This has been my go-to running shoe. You'll see a little bit more later. All right, back again, another fit. Arc'teryx hat. And then I got the New York Knicks New Balance on, but another hoodie by Colorful Standard. All right, so now you've seen all the breakdown like a dummy. I recorded this whole video and didn't have the mic on. But anyway, you're seeing more of those light sprays as well as the regular Cloud Monster 3 Hyper. Amazing shoe. I did land them Union ones. Finally. All right, finally. But they was waiting for the boy. I couldn't wear them in LA, so they was waiting for the boy at the crib. Did get those Kobe All-Star 6s, amazing. Came with 3D glasses. Those are super dope. Sky High Farms on the Cloud Rock Low, super dope. Picked these up, the Vejas. I forget the name. I think they're V12s, but really cool leather pair. They was on sale. Easy to replace with some boots. Solomon XT6 in his green colorway. Wore these at Disneyland. Fit was going crazy. All right, these hats, Good Quality Human. You probably see me wearing them a lot. Shout out the guy. Runs it with his, I think his partner. They have like a van that they just pull up in Venice and get it crack and make the sales. All right, you saw those hoodies there. I talked about those earlier, but these pants, I went thrifting as soon as I came back home. Was on a haul. Wrangler denim and wearing these a lot. Took the hem out the bottom, gave it a more lived-in feel. And then I got this one on Depop, really dope Dickies jacket. Color was crazy on that one. Then found this one thrifting too. Bowling shirt from Allen, Allyn. Ain't never seen it spelled that way, but Rainbow Lanes 400 Club, you know I'm in there. All right, 2 dope vests for the summertime. Carhartt, and then another one that was just like a workwear one. Been wearing that gray one a lot. Still haven't cracked out the Carhartt, but it will come out soon. Don't worry about that. All right, Buck Mason. Amazing t-shirt and quality. Got 2 of them. One was like a crop length. This one that you're seeing right here in the gray, and then the all white was like a regular length. Love both of them, but honestly, if I had to go back, I'll get the crop again. All right, Uniqlo. Also dope stuff there. Got this thermal. A little hot in Houston, but honestly, the fit's been crazy. Then this jacket, yo, amazing workwear feel, but super comfortable. All right, shout out to the homie Ron Gibb as well as Adam Flucarado that was out in the city, but this is the boy finishing his High Rocks competition. He went crazy, you know what I'm saying? First time. I think he finished at 139. Don't tell him I said that, but it is what it is. I got it on camera. But look at this, man. My guy finishing across the finish line. My guy had a ruptured Achilles 2 years ago, and now he's finishing High Rocks. So we're going to do the doubles next year. We're going to get to that. All right, look, last little piece from my home decor. I had this cause puzzle that I've been waiting to finish. Finally got the glue on it, so there it goes. All right, this is a couple cool places that I went running in the month of March. And normally, you know, I have an edit that shows cool things I saw, music I listened to, but hopefully y'all can tell. The month of March was filled for your boy, so hopefully this suffices for y'all. But honestly, glad to be back online, catching up with y'all, and I can't wait to see you next week, man. Hope y'all been good.